Ngay hau blei ko bagi sakri.
Katnat Social Welfare ka Sarkar Meghalaya ha ka Jingialang bat Katnat Home Police bat kumjuru ka Office Tehlakam u Deputy Commissioner ka East KHASI Hills District hinin ka sngi ka Lapenlong ya ka Limpong Jingialang banyale persya ya u Drok bat Banwanra ya ka Village Defense Party VDP ya ka ba Lapenlong bat ki MLA ki MDC bat ki Dorbar Shnong Jong ki Shnong baper kanong ba Shalong ha State Convention Center Shalong. Hapakran Shakilat Pathai Khubor Hadian ka Jingialang uba Paul Lingdo ubalong utnat Menteri Katnat Social Welfare uloong ba ka sarkar kan persyang banyo ya ka Jingialang da ka Jingkershan Jong ki Dorbar Shnong baper. Uloong ru ba ka sarkar ka thmu manang penbon ya ki nong trei ki ban trei ya ka nikakam nado ki Shnong banyarap ya ki bor pulin.
Senior officers of the state government doing, Madam Ida.
The purpose of the meeting is for us to have enough manpower, starting from the locality level, to assist the police in trying to combat the menace of drugs. And that will only happen with the support of the community. I have been advocating a community-oriented approach, and today the participation of so many Dorbar Shnongs is a proof that they have faith in what we are trying to achieve, and I'm very, very happy with the outcome of the meeting.